Okay, so the next thing from there that we can look at is your evaluation, how to evaluate binary operations. Okay, so this is now where we get into the calculations part. What we're going to say, evaluating is simply solving out what you've been given, just as simple as that. So you can be given two numbers, and that's really simple. For example, remember they will always give you a binary operation either in letters or in words. So here we have a plus b is equal to, let's say, 2a plus b, like that. Sorry, a star b, not a plus b. A star b is equal to. So this can be your binary operation. So how do you evaluate this? So this alone you can't evaluate. They're supposed to give you something to evaluate. So let's say the first part of our question is saying let us evaluate 2 star 3. That's the first part, and then the second part we should be able to evaluate 4 star 5 in brackets, and then star 1. Okay, so starting out with this one here that says 2 star 3, meaning I'm going to say, okay, 2 is taking up the position of A, 3 is taking up the position of B. So this I'm going to say 2 star 3 is equal to, so in this expression where there is A, I replace with 2. So I'm going to say 2 open bracket 2 there. Where there is B, I replace with 3. So this is going to be 4 plus 3, which is 7. And 7 is my evaluation of 2 star 3, like that. And how about this side? So this side, having this, simply means that first of all, to I need to start with what is in the brackets. Remember, board mass, we used to say brackets off, and then you start with your division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So I'm going to say brackets off. How do we get rid of the brackets? We start with what's inside. So we're going to start with 4 star 5. So you ignore this comma star 1 for now. So you start with 4 star 5, and then you put it in this binary operation. So remember, 4 is taking up the position of A, 5 is taking up the position of B. So it's going to be 2, 4 there, and then plus 5 there. So this is going to be 8 plus 5. So it's going to be 13, as simple as that. So you've evaluated 4 star 5. But this is not the end of the question. Remember, there was a comma star 1 there. Yeah? So what are you going to do now? What you're going to do is that you're going to get your answer that you found pali 4 star 5, and then you use it with the star 1. So you're going to say, okay, where there is 4 star 5, I can replace it with 13. So I'm going to say 13 now, star 1. Since it was 4 star 5 star 1, so since pali 4 star 5 I've answered 13, so I can say 13 now star 1, and then replace it in the same binary operation. Remembering that 13 is taking the position of A, 1 is taking the position of B. So this is going to be 2 or 13 there plus what? Plus A. So this is going to be, no, sorry, not plus A, plus 1, since 1 is taking up the position of B. So it's going to be 26 plus 1, which is going to be 27. So 27 is the final evaluation of this whole thing of 4 star 5 star 1. Your answer is 27. So let us just have one more evaluation said, and then we can move on to the next concept. So let me just do that and then come back here again. Alright, so let me start with what? A star B being equal to, let me have something complicated. 2 to the power A minus 3B to the power A. Is this complicated enough? No, it's not. Let me say 3A to the power B. Yeah, looks more complicated. I love complicated stuff. So here I'm going to say, let us evaluate 1 star 2 star 3. Let me put the brackets there. This is what we're evaluating here. So remember, brackets off, we'll start with what's in the brackets. So we're going to start with 2 star 3, and then this is going to be 2 to the power 2 to the power in here 2 is taking up the position of A, so meaning about A could be couple 2, and then plus oh sorry, that's minus, yeah, minus 3 abattoir avec 2, and then abattoir avec 3 like that. But this is going to be 4, and then it's going to be 3, and then 2 to the power 3 in chat. 2 to the power 3, that should be 8. So here I'm going to put my 8 there, and then 4 minus 3 times 8, that's 24. So this is that, and then my answer here is going to be 20. Good. So I have 20 as my answer. So 20 is what I've found Pali 2 star 3. So I can rub this stuff on top here. I'll remain with my 20. I'm going to say, okay, this 20, this guy here 20, I'm going to say 1 star 20. I cannot say 20 star 1 because this is wrong. This is under commutative type of relations in binary operation, and you're going to see it in the next video. But yeah, you should follow the order in which your question has been given. So since 2 star 3 was class D, and what you've found is representing 2 star 3, meaning even as you write it like this, it should be blast like that. Yeah, so you're finding 1 star 20. So remember, 1 is taken up at the position of A, 20 is taking up the position of B. So it's going to be 2 to the power 1. Yeah, 2 to the power 1 minus 3, 2 there, and then 20 there. So let's see, let me just get rid of this down here. This is going to be what? So this is going to be 2 to the power 1, that's 2, minus 2 to the power 20, that's a lot. I didn't think of that. And then that a lot by 3 minus, okay, yeah, so you know what to do from there. You know what to do. So yes, you should be able to find your final answer. I am not going to do 2 to the power 20. But yeah, keynote MA110, you don't have a calculator, so you should be able to be good at calculations off the top of your head. Speed and accuracy is very important when it comes to MA110. So yeah, so I think we can end there. Bye guys, I'm not answering this, but yeah, just follow the right procedures and text me the answer to check if you are correct.